says a wolf.
Almost done.
I have apples.
I have bananas and I have strawberries. Night.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Grandma's house.
Oh, almost done now. Yay.
Where does your grandma live?
You're full na.
She lives at the end of the
Maybe.
road. Says
Maybe.
Red.
Night.
Does she live alone?
Night.
Asks the wolf.
Night.
Oh
Hey.
yes, she is all alone.
Hey. You don't want to eat na? Very good.
Make some flowers
One
for
more.
her.
Ah,
Like
2
that.
spoon na lang, oh.
Says the wolf.
Very good.
That's
Good
a
boy.
good idea. Thank you.
Good boy.
Says Red.
One more.
Red picks flowers by the path.
We'll drink your vitamins na later. Finish this food.
While Red
Last
picks
na to, last na,
flowers,
oh. Last na,
Wolf
oh.
runs to Grandma's house.
Oh, 1 spoon na lang.
But Grandma is not at home.
Busog na ikaw? Ay! 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 Ay!
He puts on Grandma's pajamas and cap.
One more.
He
Kailan?
lies down in Grandma's bed.
Mag-drink na ng water.
And he waits for Red.
Ay, bless you. Tagtilo ko ra ka, no?
Red arrives. But Grandma is
Very
so
good.
different.
Very good.
Your eyes are
Ay,
so big.
Bless you.
Says Red.
Naligo ra ba si Mama Night?
My eyes are
Mami.
big so I can see you well.
Last na talaga, oh. Very last na, oh.
Grandma, your ears are so big.
Very
Says
good. Yay.
My
You
ears
finish your
are
food.
big so I can
Then
hear
now,
you well.
water na, water.
Says the wolf.
Water.
Grandma, your teeth are so big. Says Red.
My teeth are big so I can eat you.
Very good.
The wolf jumps up.
Ahem.
He runs toward Red.
Ahem.
The wolf has such sharp teeth
Hey,
and claws.
Eh,
Red is so scared.
one more. One more. Water.
Suddenly, Grandma arrives. She grabs a broom and hits the wolf on the head.
Yay. Done.